Hi, Pat here. I have a MCS stereo model 3233, and the best I could find, this thing was made in probably the late 70s, maybe even early 80s, and my guess is probably between 30 and 35 watts per channel. It does power up. I got hum in the beginning, but it does work. As you can see, the controls are real dirty. So, I think I can be able to fix this one just using some cleaner. So, let's see what happens. I'll start with, this thing is quite dirty. The wood top is good. Both the sides are good. In the back, there's some rust there. I don't know if that thing hinged down. And it's got rear speaker connections. Let's take the cover off, see what it looks like on the inside. So I got in here, I got DeoxIT and all these pods, and there's one big wafer switch here. Got that, got some on there, turned them and worked them all in. And these switches up here, there's no holes in the back to get to, so I just sprayed some in there, and I got it standing up here. So I'm just hoping gravity will do its thing and let it get down there. I'll give it another squirt, let it stay a while, and maybe another. These are the speaker switches, and there really ain't no holes or anything in there either, so I just sprayed some in the top and hoping gravity will do its thing and get some down there. On these RCA jacks, I just took a little wire brush thing and cleaned all the tarnish off them and made them nice and shiny. I put a little DeoxIT pipe cleaner, got in there and cleaned out each one of those. Only one of these light bulbs are working, so I'm hoping I get these in there. I couldn't find too much information about this, so I wanted to see how much power it would put out. I got my dummy loads back there and a couple voltmeters on there. So let's turn the volume up, and it clips just about there, and running almost 18 volts on one side and 16 on the other. I put it right around 32 watts per channel. I got things back together. I got a record going right now. And I got a cassette going too. And the FM is working.
Doesn't matter if trouble hit when you were just minding
stereo
your business.
light does come on. So shows what a little DeoxIT can do and solve most of the problems on this thing. The LED lights look pretty good, so I'm going to call this one done. Thanks for watching.